Alright, I'm here with a side sewer camera inspection with Matt Radsep. We're here at 7409 Woodlawn Avenue, Northeast Seattle. We're going to go ahead and take the camera all the way down the main and note the root intrusions that we see. Harts Plumbing and Excavation.
The other condos tie into this line. And then it transfers to clay right after. First root intrusion at 40 feet 11 inches. Another intrusion at 43 feet. At 45 feet. 48 feet. 50 feet. There's a big one at 51 feet. And 54 feet. It's a minor root intrusion right there at 55. Had a pretty big size gap there on the left side around this turn, and the riser from the city main coming up, there's a pretty good sized crack there at the bottom, and that is the city main.